Hello everyone, let's talk about non-linear model. And non-linear model, we have binary logistic regression and probit logistic regression. So let's talk about binary logistic regression. So binary logistic regression, we have simple binary logistic and multivariable binary logistic regression. Okay? Simple. Okay, so let's talk about simple overall assumption of binary logistic regression. Okay, so assumption of binary logistic regression. Okay, let's say, right, so in binary logistic regression we always have to make sure that dependent variable has a categories as a zeros and one, means to say it's binary coded. Dependent variable must be must categorical with, sorry, I can't write this. DB must be coded with 0 and 1. Okay, so dependent variable always have a two categories for zeros and 1, so that is binary numbers, right? So it should, dependent variable must be zeros and 1, first assumption. So second assumption, second assumption is log y equals to log p divided by 1 minus p, right, equals to log odds of y, right, log odds of y equals to fitted values, okay. So second condition is we have to use this formula, log y equals to log p divided by 1 minus p, right, equals to log odds of y, which is of fitted values of y. Y is nothing, it's a dependent variable. Okay, so let's talk about third one, log odds of y, which is dependent variable, must be linear to continuous y, right, continuous independent variable, continuous with log odds of y must be linear to continuous variable, continuous independent variable, okay. So next, fourth one is what? McFadden formula. McFadden. McFadden formula used what? Used to see the variance by using pseudo R square. Okay, so this is the another assumption. So McFadden formula I used to see the variance by using pseudo R squares. They have the table, right? So we need to see the we need to use McFadden formula and see the pseudo R square. Okay. So third one. I think we are in fifth one, right? For fifth one, what we do? Omnibus chi-square test, modal fit. To see the modal fit by using OMNIBUSCHI chi-SUUAR square test. Okay, so we need to see the modal fit through omnibus chi-square test. So fifth one is sixth one. What? See the modal fit by using omnibus chi-square test. Okay, I think that's all the assumption I need to say. First, let's revise it. First, assumption of binary logistic relation, DB must be coded with 0 and 1. And second, we have this log y equals to log p minus p divided by 1 minus p equals to log odds of y equals to fitted by log y. So third one is log odds of y must be linear to continuous independent variable, right? L. So no need to check INE or line. See, we do residual value testing, that line and those things, right? INE or line is not needed. Okay, here. So McFadden formula I used to see the variance by using pseudo R square. Okay, McFadden is a part of this to see the pseudo R square and variance, right? And to see the modal fit, we use omnibus chi-square test also we used. Okay, omnibus chi-square test also we used. And there is one more thing is there, I think. No, that's not. Just a moment. Okay, I'll be back. And one more thing is there, the modal classification. The modal classification using confusion matrix and there is one more thing there, right? Confusion matrix and so on. Accurately, sorry. Confusion matrix, okay? The modal classification using confusion matrix and accuracy index. Accuracy. INDICES, okay? So, for each one we can write this. To see the modal fit by using omnibus chi-square, we see whether the model is fit or not, right? And the classification, to the model classification, we use a classification matrix, confusion matrix and accuracy indices. So let me revise it. First assumption, DB must be coded with 0 and 1. Second, log y, log p divided by 1 minus p, log odds of y, which is dependent variable, fitted value of y, right? Log odds of y must be linear, in the sense dependent variable that must be linear to continuous independent variable, right? L is linearity is already checked, so no need to perform residual analysis or something like INE or INE analysis. So McFadden formula used to see the variance by using pseudo R square, right? McFadden formula used to see the variance through pseudo R square, right? And another thing is to see modal fit by using omnibus chi-square test, used to see the modal fit. Okay, omnibus chi-square test is used to see the model, and the classification of using confusion matrix and the model classification. The model classification using confusion matrix, and there is indices, accuracy indices, okay? Accuracy indices and confusion matrix. That's all the assumption in binary logistic regression. Thank you.